Hello guys, are you a content creator that is monetized on Facebook and you're still not earning anything? Yes, I was monetized for several months and I still earned $0 from my content. As a content creator, one of the most boring thing and one of the things that gives you trauma is being monetized without any policy issue, without any issue, but you're still not earning anything. This thing could be a glitch from Facebook themselves. But let me tell you something. As it is a glitch, there are things you need to do so that you can escape these things. I was once like you. So watch to the end of this video to see how I recovered my channel to start earning money from $0. So first of all, when I got monetized into Facebook, and I was so excited, but at the end I wasn't earning anything. I was so traumatized. I had to reach up to some successful Facebook content creators, and some of them knew they don't even know what I'm saying because some of them haven't seen this kind of issue before. At least I think it happens maybe in 1 out of 1 million content creators. So I was one of them. I don't know, maybe you might be the person. To the extent I sent messages to so many content creators, successful content creators, telling them that this is my issue. I'm monetized, but I'm not seeing any earning from my content, and I'm still getting views. And when I sent a message to one of these content creators, this is what he told me. Let me play it for you. So what he actually meant is that there are many people who are monetized on Facebook as a content creator. They are still not earning yet. You just have to have patience. But let me tell you, they say the patience dog eat the fattest bone, and but we are in an era where if the patience dog wait for the fat bone, or is it the bone, is going to die of hunger. So you just need to move out of your comfort zone and look for solutions. So this is what I did. So let me go into my Meta business suite and show you some things. So if you can see now, let me go into my monetization. So if you can see, I'm earning $15.81. This thing just started a few days ago, and it was as a result of what I did. And if you can, let me show you something on my content. Let me click my content and show you some things. These are my content. Okay, let me zoom to my earning, and so that you can see some of these contents. Let me zoom to my earnings. So if you can see, these are some of my earnings right here. If you can see this $7, I've earned $7 in some content. I've earned $0.05, 0.02, 0.042, 0.6. If you can see, these are my earnings. So before, I was earning nothing. I was just earning, in my local dialect, it's called shishi. I wasn't seeing anything, and I was so worried. But I did something that I'll share in this video. So if you want to know what I shared, please like, subscribe to my channel so that more people can see what I did, so that we can eat all, so that everybody can benefit from this thing I did. So let me go straight to the point. What Facebook need is, they need you to be consistent in posting content. Being consistent will tell them that this content creator is trustworthy for us to be showing our ad on his content. So that's what I did. I started posting videos morning, afternoon, and night every day for just at least 3 days. I started seeing results. So let me tell you this thing. If you're a content creator and you're monetized and you're having this issue, I'll be very sincere to you. Start posting morning, afternoon, and night. Number one, if you don't have any policy issue, if you don't have any maybe monetization policy issue, and make sure your in-stream ad is turned on first. Go to your in-stream ad and check if it's turned off. So if it's turned off, go to your in-stream ad and check and turn it on. So that might be the issue. That might be your own case. Your in-stream ad is turned off. But if your in-stream ad is turned on and you're still not seeing any revenue from the content, please just start posting consistently. Post morning, afternoon, and night. You're going to stir up the algorithm, going to stir up the ad algorithm, telling people that yeah, your content is trustworthy. And again, make content that are good, make content that are educative, because Facebook will only set up ad on content that are educative to their viewers. So if you put content that are not well educative to viewers, please, you can change for a while before shooting more content. So this is just what I did. I maintained consistency and good content, and I started seeing results. So I've come to the end of this video, and if you have any issue, any challenge about ad not showing on your videos or your content? Drop a comment and let's solve it out and see what we can do to resolve it. Thank you for watching. Bye.